Here's the question, and I've been pondering this a lot. There's two things that they do in real estate marketing and advertising, just like they do in the fitness fat loss world. But it's like opposite day. It's like some parallel universe that was created in the SpongeBob SquarePants space where it's impossible day or it's backwards day. So when it comes to fat and weight loss, they talk about how easy it is. All you have to do is subscribe to their program, and it's going to be very simple. You'll be able to get it done quickly, and it'll be very little effort, even if you've tried thousands of times before to drop all of the fat that you have on your body. Well, take it from me. I dropped 135 pounds of fat in about 8 months, and it wasn't easy. It was really, really difficult. Then on the other side, in the real estate world, you have everybody telling you how hard it's going to be. You have the sports athletes on stage, and they're taking questions from the crowd, and they're moving the team, and oh my God, the last thing I want to do is sell my house. Or you have the astronauts in space. I don't get why that's so difficult. Oh, and then you have the other companies. This is fantastic, that say it's so inconvenient and you're not going to pay any fees, you're not going to pay anything. Let's just think this out just a little bit. As it comes to dropping fat, that's hard. And we see that with the world, more than half of the world is very close to being obese, and in some countries even more. There's a problem there. And yes, that's hard, very hard, and I agree with that. That's why I talk about that a lot. But on the real estate front, if you have a way to get a text message to me, and you have a way to sign documents online, well, that would be email. You need email. That's it. That's really all you need. And as far as selling your house and not having it be inconvenient, people viewing your house and walking through your house, and we'll just come and we'll just buy it from you. What are they going to do when they buy your house from you? Are they going to come live in your house? No, they're going to resell your house. And how are they going to resell your house? They're going to probably resell it this hard way that they're talking about, this inconvenient way, by having people come and look at it so they can get the most amount of money for it, because now they open it up to that capitalist market that we have, where they're basically going to have people come and buy your house, and they're going to do it by having multiple people see it, everybody in the world see it. And that sounds a lot like a real estate agent that would be listing your house. That's what it sounds like, because they would also market it to every single buyer that is looking in that area, in that neighborhood, in that price range, wanting to live in and occupy your house. We're not talking about investors here. We're talking about real life human beings that want to come and they want to live there, whether they're singular people, whether they have families, whatever the attraction to the neighborhood and your house happens to be. Being able to advertise it and market it to the entire public, the entire home buying world, is probably going to be worth whatever inconvenience they say there will be. Now, of course, people coming and looking at your house, having it ready, that's tough, but I think it's also tough taking $50,000 or more less than what your home is worth out of the reason of convenience. It's really not that hard. It's really not that inconvenient, especially in today's market. I did my Stevenson Ranch update today, which is one of the cities in Santa Clarita. There's no listings. No new listings have come on the market in 7 days. They have very low inventory. The houses that are there move very fast and at a premium. And that's very much typical of most of the Southern California markets. You're watching television, you see they say it's easy. Just pull back a little bit and find out what easy's going to cost. I bet when you look at the numbers that an agent can offer, even with whatever those fees happen to be, versus what these other companies offer, minus whatever fees they say don't exist, I think you're going to see a big difference. And easy, well, applies to real estate a lot more than it applies to torching off body fat and trying to live a healthy lifestyle. I'm Connor with Honor. Be well.